Right, hello Year 7, welcome to our first video on YouTube. Believe it or not, this is my third time trying to shoot this video because the other two were an absolute failure, but I haven't given up. So today we're going to learn about averages. Now we have, a couple of different type of averages here: mean, median, mode, and we have range. Now, we know how to represent data, graphically. So we know how to represent data, roughly speaking, on a bar chart or even a pie chart. And, we can see that data. But what does that data really mean? And to look at that further in a little bit more depth, we're going to be looking at mean, median, mode, and range. So unfortunately, you're going to have to memorize how to calculate all these four off by heart. So this is your task. You have to memorize how to calculate them. No one's going to tell you how to do it in an exam, but I'm going to help you try to remember them by a rhyme. So let's look at the mean rhyme. I'm not really sure what the mean is about. Just add them all up and share them all out. Now that is the rhyme for the mean. So this is how you calculate the mean. You find the total of all data. Then you divide the total by the number of data values you have. So pause this video. From these instructions, give yourself a go on how to calculate the mean here. Now, once you've paused, I'm guessing you've paused my video, you've given yourself a guess. Now let's see if that guess is correct or not. Find the total. Okay, so you do 55 plus 23 plus 54 plus 12 plus 87 plus 32. So you add up all that data. I've done it on my calculator and that gives me 263. Next step, divide the total by how many values you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 values. So 263 divided by 6 gives me, just trying to work it out, 43.83. So let's talk about what it means. Let's say these were daily salaries, for example. Okay, so let's say these were daily salaries of people. So on average, the mean of a worker is 43.83. Now, this is not totally true because this person who gets 12 AED a day, he doesn't get reflected by 43.83, but it averages out by the other higher values like 87 and 55. So anyhow, that's a little bit about how to calculate the mean. You add it up and you divide it by your data value. The rhyme for mode. I don't want to brag, I don't want to boast. I am the mode and I am the most. Can you guess what that means? So that means when you have a data set and the most popular data set. So for instance, I can see 95 only comes one, but 90, 90, 90. 90 has appeared 3 times. Therefore, in question 1, my mode is 90. Something that appears the most is the most popular value. Now let's have a look at question 2. A appears once, twice, thrice. B appears once, twice, thrice, 4 times. C appears, just choosing a color. C appears once, twice, thrice. C also appears 4 times. So in this case, we have 2 modes, 2 numbers or 2 letters that are most popular, which are B and C. It's possible to have 2 modes. Right. Let's move on to median. I don't know the rhyme, I don't know the riddle. I'm the median and I'm in the middle. Can you guess what median is? Median is a number that's in the middle. However, you must put the data in size order. So smallest to biggest. So let's have a look at number 1. So the smallest number is 0. Then we have, so I always cross it out. Then the next smallest number with 2 14s. So I write it out in order. Then we have 22, 29 and 32. Okay, and all you do is you start crossing it out. One from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. Oh, you've got 2 numbers now in the middle. You've got, have I done it right? 0, 14, 14, 22. Oh, I missed 25. Sorry guys. I'm just going to add 25 here and carry on crossing out. So I can cross 25 with 14. So my median is 22. Let's try the bottom one. Again, let's order it from size. So the smallest one is minus 27, then minus 1.1. Let's cross them out so I don't get confused again. Then 0.04, 3.2, 8.64, and the last one 22.3. So let's cross them out. That one goes with that one. That one goes away with that one. Oh, you have 2 values. So if you get 2 values, you add them together and divide by 2, like it says. So you want to find the middle number between 0.04 and 3.2. So 0.04 on my calculator plus 3.2 divided by 2 to get exactly in the middle. And the answer is 1.62. And that's how you calculate the median. Let's calculate the last one. Let's have a look at the last average we have, which is a range. From largest to smallest, see how they change, take them away, and I'm the range. So let's have a look at how to work out the range. Range is quite easy. You just do biggest number minus smallest number. So the biggest number here is 554 minus the smallest number, 201. Plonk it on your calculator, and that is 353. So the range of these values is 353. Let's have a look at question number 2. So the largest number is 0.97 because it's the biggest positive number. Take away the smallest number, which is this one, minus 2.5. And I've put it in bracket because it's a negative number. Most of you would have just done 0.97 minus 2.5. That's not correct because my value is negative 2.5. So always write it out to avoid mistakes. So 0.97 in my calculator, minus and a minus becomes a plus 2.5, and that would give me 3.47. And that is your range.